Welcome to USA Market. BGA ball grid array reworkstations play a pivotal role in electronics manufacturing and repair, enabling professionals to handle intricate tasks, such as desoldering and resoldering BGA components with precision. As technology continues to advance, the demand for reliable and efficient BGA reworkstations has grown exponentially. In this guide, we present the top 5 best BGA rework stations currently available in the market. These stations have been selected based on their performance, versatility, user-friendly features, and overall value for electronics enthusiasts, technicians, and professionals alike. Whether you are involved in circuit board repair, prototyping, or production, these BGA rework stations are sure to meet the high standards required in today's rapidly evolving electronics industry. Let's delve into the details of each rework station to help you make an informed decision and elevate your soldering and desoldering capabilities to new heights. Number 5. Digisix 1000A BGA Rework Station. The first thing that caught my attention was the robust build quality of the Digisix 1000A. The sturdy construction instilled confidence in its durability, and the ergonomic design made it easy to handle during prolonged use. The compact footprint is also a plus, especially for those with limited workspace. Setting up and using the Digisix 1000A was a breeze. The clear and concise user manual provided step-by-step instructions, making the learning curve minimal, even for users new to BGA reworkstations. The intuitive control panel allows for quick adjustments, and the digital display provides accurate temperature and airflow readings. One standout feature of this rework station is its precision. The temperature control is incredibly accurate, ensuring that delicate components are not subjected to excessive heat. The adjustable airflow is a great feature for handling various soldering tasks, from small components to larger BGA chips. The versatility of the Digisix 1000A makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. Number 4. Digisix T862 BGA Rework Station. The T862 boasts a sturdy construction with dimensions of 410 x 316 mm, providing a spacious and well-designed platform for precision work. The build quality inspires confidence, and the thoughtful layout of controls and indicators enhances user convenience. The device exudes a professional feel, making it a valuable addition to any workstation. With an input voltage range of 10V 220 to 230V and an impressive output power of 1600W, the T862 delivers consistent and reliable performance. The temperature range of 100 to 350 degrees Celsius caters to a wide variety of soldering and desoldering applications. I found the temperature stability to be excellent, ensuring that delicate components are treated with the utmost care. One of the standout features of the T862 is its user-friendly interface. The controls are intuitive, and the digital display provides real-time temperature feedback. The station heats up rapidly, allowing for quick job turnaround times. Additionally, the device maintains temperature stability even during extended use, contributing to its overall reliability. Number 3. Digisix T870A BGA Rework Station. The T870A boasts an impressive temperature output of 350 degrees Celsius, providing the heat needed for delicate BGA rework without compromising the integrity of the components. The temperature stability is commendable, ensuring consistent and accurate heat application throughout the repair process. This feature is crucial for preventing damage to sensitive electronic parts. With an output power of 000W, this rework station exhibits the necessary muscle for handling a variety of BGA soldering and desoldering tasks. Whether I'm working on small circuit boards or larger assemblies, the T870A has consistently demonstrated its capability to tackle different soldering challenges with ease. The dimensions of 43 x 42 x 26 cm make the T870A a compact and space-efficient addition to my workspace. The well-thought-out design ensures that it doesn't take up excessive room, yet it remains sturdy and durable. The intuitive controls and clear display contribute to the overall user-friendly experience, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced technicians. Number 2. IR8500 BGA Rework Station. The IR8500 boasts a sturdy construction with a sleek design. Its dimensions, L 780mm x W 450mm x H 260mm, make it a compact yet powerful tool, suitable for various workspaces. The station's total weight of 21 kilograms ensures stability during operations. Equipped with 2 heating zones, The IR8500 offers flexibility in handling different components and board sizes. The upper heating zone, measuring 80mm x 80mm and consuming 450 W, is perfect for precise work, while the larger bottom heating zone, 400mm x 200mm, with a consumption of 1600 W, efficiently handles larger components and boards. The infrared IR heating technology employed by the IR8500 is a standout feature. It provides uniform and controlled heating, preventing overheating and ensuring the safety of delicate components. The general power of 2050 W ensures quick and efficient rework processes. Number 1. LI-M770 Upgraded IR Infrared BGA Rework Station. The first thing that caught my attention was the robust build quality of the LI-M770. The construction feels solid, and the components are well built, ensuring durability over time. The upgraded infrared technology is a significant improvement, making it a reliable choice for intricate BGA rework tasks. Setting up the LI-M770 is a breeze. The user-friendly interface and well-designed control panel make it easy to navigate through the different functions. The customizable settings allow for precise temperature and airflow adjustments, catering to the specific requirements of each soldering project. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a hobbyist, this rework station is accessible for users of all skill levels. The infrared heating technology in the LI-M770 truly sets it apart from conventional rework stations. The even and consistent heat distribution ensures that delicate components are not subjected to thermal stress, reducing the risk of damage. The upgraded model provides quick and efficient BGA rework, saving both time and effort. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel for more product videos.